Welcome to Salika Man. This easy tutorial is of a leg of mutton sleeves. This is something from the top part. This is like a puff sleeve, but from front it is very fitted. So for that you need to turn your fabric a little slant way. I will explain you in a small piece of fabric. See, normally we turn our fabric like in 4 folds for the sleeves, something like this, but for this sleeves we need to turn it a little slant like this way from this side, and then from the other side we will cut the other sleeve. So in this way we can get the wider width at our shoulder point and the narrow at our hemline. So hope you understand. Now I'm using my basic pattern. I will give a link in the description how you can make this basic pattern if you don't know, and that's how you have to place it and pin up properly. And after that I will just mark according to the whatever seam allowance I want. But here we need to increase, like in this shoulder part, the armhole part, we need to increase according to the gathers we actually want here. So I'm making it almost 2.5 inches extra. You can increase even more how much gathers you want. And from the front you can see I'm not adding any seam allowances because I want fitted from the front, and this fabric is also a knit fabric, so it will give me a fitted look. So that's how I just cut one pattern, and from the other side I'm just going to place it and just cut as it is. So guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this tutorial, please at least thumbs up, press the thumbs up button so YouTube will know that you like my tutorials. So here you can notice that on our armhole side this is wider than our normal sleeve. You can compare with the normal sleeve pattern. See, now this is time to cut the front, this extra cutting that we need every time for the ladies sleeves. If you don't know how to make the basic sleeve pattern, you can check check the link in the description. So now it's time for the stitching. I just mark the center, and after marking the center we will start marking the lines where we are going to stitch first, and then we will pull the thread and we'll make the gathers. So here I'm just marking almost 7 inches this side and 7 inches this side, almost total 14 inches I mark here for the gathering. So just stitch a straight stitch, and after that carefully hold the thread and just move your fabric, and don't pull the thread, otherwise thread will break. So this is a tip for making the perfect gather. And after making the gathers we are going to stitch the fitted lines. So see, you can check with your pattern that how much gathers you need here. So after that just make the edges equal and stitch here your fitting lines. So I'm just going to stitch here, and see, double lock at the first and at the end, but first I'm also stitching my the hemline. Then after that I just stitch all the fitting lines. So guys, please press the like button, or even if you don't like, press the thumbs down button, but at least give your response. This is very important for me. So see, this is the sleeve and this is the dress, and I just put this dress inside it and match the fitting lines with the fitting line, and just attach a pin here. And if you want to learn this dress, you can check also the video tutorial for this. And now this center point with this shoulder point of your dress, and just pin up it here again, and after that carefully pin up all way the round sleeve, and each time make sure that you are not stretching too much and all gathers are equal. And after pin up we are going to sewing machine. So just remove this part of your machine and put your sleeve inside it like this way. So in that way this is very easy to handle your round. That's why it's called free arm machine. So now just stitch it, and at the end you just double lock it, and your this mutton leg sleeve is almost done. And please give me your feedback if you really like this video, and what else you want to learn also. Just let me know in the comment section, so I will make more tutorials. See, this is the final look of this sleeve. Hope you like. And see, after that you just remove this thread that we just mark for the gathering, and because we don't need now, our stitches hold with our the last stitching. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.